Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you guys for coming back, and welcome to day 10 of Jingle Lills. You guys, day 10. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. And are you guys looking at this? This is your prize for today. Yes, so get excited. But before we get into that, we want to talk a little bit. Well, I want to talk to you guys a little bit. I want to let you guys know that I have not forgotten the birthday challenge. I am waiting till the series is over so that I can pick all winners all together. So I am going to be picking, not sure if I'm doing it after Christmas or after the new year. You guys will be posted as in the next few days whether I'm going to do that or not, because it's wifey's birthday the week of the 28th, so I might be a little bit busy. So if that happens, I might end up picking the winner on the 1st, and the prizes definitely are not going out until the second, probably like the first week of January, because I have to pack everything up. It's just a lot, you guys, and it's just me. So that's gonna be happening within the next few days. I'll pick the winners for my Jingle Lill series. I'll pick the winners for my Patreon, the 12 days of Christmas cards, and the winner for my birthday challenge. So that's gonna be that. And what else do I have to tell you guys? I have so much in my brain, and I've filmed this video like 3 times, so bear with me if I sound all over the place. It's 1:30 in the morning, and I'm just trying to get these videos filmed so that I can just upload. But let me get into today's prize. You guys already know the deal. If you want to be part of this giveaway, you have to leave a comment down below saying enter me, and you will have the opportunity to win this cute little bag that you guys love so much that I make, which is my acetate mercado bag, like Ara says. I've added some cute little sequins in there, some crinkle, just some little cute stuffing to make it look pretty. This cute little flower from my stash. And you guys, I'm so proud of myself. This year I buckled down and I used all of my cutie ephemera on my projects. I didn't hoard it anymore because I've literally been holding on to these packs for like 2-3 years. And I just said enough is enough. Use it up, share it, put it in the giveaway, and that's what I'm doing. So today's prize is these super cute little snow globe embellishments, and they are super, well, not that chunky, but they're pretty chunky, and they have thread. They're little shakers in the back. They don't shake the best because it's super flat down with the acetate. I stitched them down. You can see they're stitched all the way around, and there's tons of cute little layers. I used up practically the whole pack of ephemera. There's gold threading, there's pom-poms, there's enamel dots. Super cute. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this the cutest ephemera pack? Like, can you totally see why I've been hoarding this? Look at her. She's adorable. But I love how they came out. The paper, the actual globe itself right here, is a hot buy from Michael's from this year. But I am obsessed with how they turned out. I think they are so cute, and I'm gonna just have them inside this cute little baggie. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put 2 facing this way. Oh, we're gonna put the little girl facing the front because she's too cute. Oh, another thing I wanted to tell you guys about this bag. When I was making the handles, I accidentally, can you see that? Instead of, this should have been flipped the other way, but I didn't want to throw the bag away because I did that. It's just a handle. It's an acetate one. You can't really tell unless you're like really looking at it. And I figured you guys wouldn't mind that much, so I didn't want to like have to like throw the bag away. But look, you guys, this is today's prize, and that's exactly how I'm gonna package it up and send it off. And yeah, so if you want to be entered for this giveaway, leave a comment down below saying enter me. If you guys have any questions, just leave it down below. I heart all the comments, but I answer all the questions, if that makes any sense. I see if there's like a long paragraph, I try to answer back. But if you guys just say enter me, or you guys say something simple like just a sentence, I'll heart the comment. It's hard for me to answer back, especially when there's a giveaway. There's like 100 comments or 90 comments. It's hard to answer each and every one of them back. I do try to say thank you sometimes. If I have free time, I'm sitting on my phone saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen that. I answer a lot of stuff back. But on my defense, you guys, I'm answering stuff on Facebook, on my Crafting with Litter Facebook, on my Instagram, on YouTube. So if I miss a comment, I apologize. I do try to get back to it. I did today as well. I answered a whole bunch, but just bear with me. I do try to answer back everything. And yeah, check out the links down below. If you guys missed my live, I'll have the live link down below as well from this past Saturday. Wifey dropped some new merch with Pablo. If you guys know who Pablo is, leave a comment and say I know who Pablo is. She has a site up with the Pablo merch, and as well as Wifey and Liller merch with the coffee. And yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Let me shut up and film my next video. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.